Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mr. Bani. In this video I am gonna tell you what is the method of loci, how it works, what is memory palace technique, and what is the use of memory palace technique. Everything will be covered in this video, so stay tuned till end. Okay, so let's begin. What is method of loci? The loci term is the plural of locus, which means place or location, and it's the oldest memorizing technique which is first introduced by poet Simondus of Sewell somewhere 25 or 100 years ago, and this technique used by both Roman and Greek orators who took advantage of this method to give speech for hours without any aid of notes. Okay, how I came to know about this technique. Okay, somewhere 2 years back, I came across one British TV series called Sherlock Holmes, where Sherlock uses his memory palace technique to store information neatly, and often visits his memory palace to memorize information. So first of all, I got fascinated about this idea, and thought like some kind of sci-fi movie idea. Then my curiousness grew about this idea. Then I googled it, found that this idea can also be applied in your day-to-day life. It's a method of memorizing strategy which involves visualizing a place or map which you are familiar with, where you can easily walk through by visualizing. Okay, for example, you are familiar with your house, right? So if you any information you want to memorize, you can relate the information with your house tops which you are familiar with, like with slight attributes like fan, TV, chair, bed. Okay, so while memorizing, what will happen? So you have to visualize your house tops. Okay, so whatever information you link with your house top, then that can give you a clue to memorize which you want to recall. Okay, in this method you can memorize anything, but for that, before that, you need to give a practice for years, 2 years, 3 years. It's up to you. So myself using this method to memorize information, and it can be also applied in your memorizing story notes. Okay, so it will be very helpful for you. Unknowingly, so many people are using this technique, and so many memory champions are using this technique for sure, but they are not revealing to common people. Okay friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video and understood about this technique as well. So if you have any queries, so please comment below. I will keep reply for sure. Okay, so I will be coming with informative and unique content in next episode.